Hello, YouTube world. Thank you for joining Money Swim, your source for the latest ideas for passive income and side hustles. Remember to share, comment, and subscribe. Let's talk the power of passive income. Imagine making money while you sleep. Yes, that's the power of passive income. Picture this, you're tucked in bed dreaming of your next vacation and your bank account is growing. No, this isn't a fantasy. It's the reality of passive income. This is the money that you earn without actively working for it. It's like having a golden goose that keeps laying eggs even when you're not watching. From investing in stocks, renting out real estate, to affiliate marketing and creating a blog or YouTube channel, there are numerous strategies to tap into this gold mine. And with the power of tools, the process can be even easier. Of course, every method has its pros and cons, and we'll be breaking those down for you in this video. So are you ready to transform your financial future? Ready to unlock the secrets of passive income? Let's dive in. Idea number one, investing in stocks. First up, investing in stocks, a classic route to passive income. It's been around for centuries and for a good reason. Stock investing is all about buying a piece of a company, however small, and becoming a shareholder. As the company grows in profits, so does your investment. Now, to get started, you'll need to open a brokerage account. This is your gateway to the stock market. With an account, you can buy and sell stocks, often with just a few clicks. But here's the thing, you don't just want to buy any stock. You want to buy stocks in companies you believe will grow over time. This requires research, analysis, and a bit of intuition. Potential earnings from stock investing can vary widely. Some people make a few $100s a month while others rake in thousands or even millions. It all depends on your investment strategy and the performance of the stocks you choose. In today's digital age, AI tools are becoming increasingly popular for stock investing. They can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, spot trends, and even predict future stock performance. Tools like these can give you an edge, especially if you're new to the stock market. But like all investments, stock investing has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it offers potentially high returns and the flexibility to invest in a wide range of companies. On the downside, it involves risk. The stock market can be volatile, and there's always the chance you could lose money. That's why it's important to diversify your portfolio and invest only what you can afford to lose. So with a bit of knowledge and some smart decisions, the stock market could be your ticket to passive income. Idea number two, real estate rental. Next on our list, real estate, a tangible asset that can bring in steady income. Now, when we say real estate rental, we're talking about buying property and renting it out. It's as simple as that. But the devil, as they say, is in the details. Let's break it down. First, you need to buy a property. This could be a residential house, an apartment, or even a commercial building. Your choice depends on your budget, your risk tolerance, and the market conditions. Next, you need to find tenants. This involves marketing your property, vetting potential tenants, and signing a rental agreement. Remember, a good tenant is worth their weight in gold. Now, let's talk numbers. The potential earnings from real estate rental can vary greatly, but as a rule of thumb, a well-managed property can yield anywhere from 6 to 12% of its value annually. This means that if you own a property worth $200,000, you could be looking at an annual income of $12,000 to $24,000. But it's not all sunshine, rainbows. The cons of real estate rental include the need for significant upfront investment, the risk of property damage, and the hassle of dealing with tenants. Thankfully, there are AI tools that can make property management a breeze. Tools like RentBerries and Avail can automate tasks like collecting rent, scheduling maintenance, and even finding tenants. In conclusion, real estate rental can be a lucrative source of passive income. It requires some upfront investment and effort, but the potential returns can be worth it. Plus, you get to own a tangible asset that can appreciate in value over time. Thus, real estate rental could be your golden goose of passive income. Idea number three, affiliate marketing. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing, a popular online passive income source. Imagine this, you're a connector, a bridge between a product and the people who need it. You're not selling anything, but simply providing information and pointing people in the right direction. That, in essence, is what affiliate marketing is all about. Affiliate marketing works when the affiliate, promote a product or service offered by another business. You share a unique link online, and when people click on your link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. So how do you get started? Here's some steps. First, you need to choose a niche. This could be anything from tech gadgets to beauty products, depending on your interests and expertise. Next, you need to join an affiliate program. There are many out there to choose from, such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Once you've joined, you'll get your unique affiliate links for different products or services. Then you start promoting these links on your website, social media, or even through email marketing. Now, Let's talk numbers. Your potential earnings depend on your niche, the products you promote, and how effectively you market your links. But to give you an idea, it's not uncommon for affiliates to earn anywhere from $50 to several $100s per day. But it's not all rosy. The challenges include competition, as affiliate marketing is quite popular, and the need for consistent content creation to keep your audience engaged. However, the pros include low startup costs, the ability to work from anywhere, and the potential for substantial passive income. To help manage and optimize your affiliate links, consider using AI tools. For instance, tools like Volume or AppTrack provide real-time analytics, allowing you to track the performance of your links and make data-driven decisions. With affiliate marketing, you could be earning money every time someone clicks on your link. So are you ready to bridge the gap and start earning passive income? Idea number 4, creating a blog or YouTube channel. Lastly, let's explore creating a blog or YouTube channel, a fun and creative way to earn passive income. Now, you might be wondering how to get started. Well, the first step is to choose a topic that ignites your passion. This will not only make the process enjoyable, but will also ensure that you consistently produce engaging content. Next, you'll need to create your platform. If you're leaning towards blogging, platforms like WordPress or Blogger are excellent places to start. For a YouTube channel, simply sign up on YouTube, create your channel, and you're good to go. Now comes the fun part. Creating content. Remember, quality trumps quantity always. Once your platform is up and running, the potential earnings can be quite promising. A successful blog or YouTube channel can earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month, depending on your audience size and engagement. And the best part, this income can flow in while you sleep, making it a truly passive income source. Of course, like any venture, there are pros and cons. On the bright side, a blog or YouTube channel allows you to express your creativity, build an audience, and potentially earn a significant income. However, it does require time, effort, and consistency. Not to mention, growing your audience can be a slow process, and monetizing your content can sometimes be challenging. To make this process easier, there are various AI tools available. Tools like Cohesive can assist with blog content creation, while TubeBuddy can help optimize your YouTube videos for search. In fact, I use both tools for one of my faceless YouTube channels. I'll talk Cohesive and TubeBuddy more in later videos. These tools can significantly simplify the content creation and monetization process, allowing you to focus more on what you love, creating content. Yeah, so with some creativity and consistency, your blog or YouTube channel could become a lucrative passive income source. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So why not take that step today? Recap and conclusion. To summarize, we've explored powerful passive income ideas today. We kicked off with investing in stocks, a classic strategy that, with the right knowledge and patience, can bring significant returns. We dove into real estate rentals, tangible asset that provides consistent income and appreciates over time. Then we navigated the dynamic world of affiliate marketing, where promoting products you believe in can earn you a pretty penny. Lastly, we tapped into the content creation sphere, discussing how starting a blog or YouTube channel can turn your passion into profit. Each of these paths comes with its own unique set of pros and cons, and it's important to choose the one that best aligns with your skills, interests, and financial goals. And remember, there are tools available to simplify the process and maximize your earnings. Remember, the journey to passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your first step today and keep moving forward. Your financial freedom awaits. As always, share, comment, and subscribe for more side hustle and passive income ideas.